Welcome to Vivo Queensland Place Student Accommodation, where student living meets effortless style in the heart of Liverpool. With various ensuite and studio options, finding your perfect fit is as easy as pie. Sink into your little haven, complete with all the essentials: a private room, ensuite bathroom, and a wardrobe for all your fashion emergencies. If you prefer privacy, upgrade to one of the studios for your very own kitchen kingdom and additional living space. But wait, there's more. The amenities here are so swanky, they'll make you want to move in permanently. From a cozy cinema room and games room to a rooftop garden perfect for sunset selfies and a gym to melt away all that stress, you got everything you need to live your best life. And the best part, the property hosts exciting social events to help you socialize. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the University of Liverpool and Liverpool International College, you'll never have to worry about long commutes. Now on to the fun stuff. Dine like royalty at Kensington Restaurant and Bar, or grab a bite at Salt and Vinegar Chippy for some classic comfort food. So why wait? Dive into the Vivo lifestyle and experience Liverpool like never before. Book your stay at amberstudent.com to know more.